This is Nurse Franny. My name is Francisco Rodriguez. I'm called Nurse Franny because my little sister can't actually pronounce Francisco, so Nurse Franny it is. I'm a nursing student. I work at a gym here in St. Ware for legal reasons, and I am currently a volunteer at St. Lucie Medical Center here in Florida. So I'm taking this opportunity to actually shadow some nurses before I start my core lessons and my clinicals. So right now I'm taking care of some prereq courses. We're going to be talking about A&P. So we're going to cover A&P 1. We're going to cover A&P 2. Excuse my handwriting. We're going to cover microbiology, which I haven't not there yet. We're going to cover chemistry. I'm going to do it one course at a time with their labs, their lab portions. Right now we're just going to do A&P 1. As of today, kind of unorganized because I'm trying to help one of my peers with note taking for exam number 2. Exam 2 is actually going to cover genetics. Oops, horrible G. So we're going to cover genetics, we're going to cover histology. We are going to cover the integumentary system. Excuse my handwriting, and we're going to cover the skeletal system barely. With the skeletal system, it's very visual, so I'm going to go over some main points that we need to master before even studying the skeletal system, like certain terminologies, certain anatomical and directional phrases that we definitely need to cover before even going really deep into the skeletal system. Now, I also want to mention that this channel, the purposes of the channel are, number one, just help the peers with, flashcards, some topics that people are having some difficulties with, some minor confusions with certain theories. Number two, we're going to document the progress for these prereqs for nursing, and obviously later on the core lessons and the clinicals and all that fun stuff. We're gonna share about our time actually going over like shadowing and things like that. Lastly, I definitely need everybody to understand that I am not an expert on anything that I say. I am a student. I am not an expert, so I will go over things that I think would be useful for you to study before an exam, before a pop quiz. Not that you would know what a pop quiz would be. Saying that, please, if you have a comment, if you have a critique, please share it. Be nice. We're all here to learn. We're all here on the same road. And please, due to legal reasons, I cannot share who my professor is. Can't share who my professor is at all. As if everything I say is just for you to review, to then study on your own with the book. So I'm going to go over some main topics, and you're going to look at those. If you didn't know them, add them to your actual list of what the hell you were studying. If you do, just skip ahead. And that's pretty much it. Every video, I'm going to try to keep it at around 10 minutes. I know that people's attention spans are usually 8 to 12 minutes. So I'll try to minimize and keep everything